Master the art of previewing nonfiction texts. Hello, learners! Today we're going to tackle a very important skill in reading nonfiction texts: previewing the text. Previewing is a crucial tool in your reading comprehension toolkit, helping you understand the author's key points and main arguments before you dive into a full read-through. Let's find out how it can enhance your understanding and speed up your reading. Previewing is a reading strategy where you take a quick, initial look at a text before you read it in detail. It's like a movie trailer, giving you a sense of what to expect, which parts might require your attention, and what you can potentially gain from reading the text. This strategy is especially helpful when dealing with nonfiction, as these texts are often dense and loaded with information. By previewing, you'll be able to navigate and comprehend these texts more efficiently. When previewing a nonfiction text, follow these steps. 1. Look at the title and subtitles. These often summarize the main topic or key points of the text. 2. Read the introduction and conclusion. The author often states their purpose, main argument, or findings here. 3. Review the first and last sentences of each paragraph. These usually contain the main ideas of each section. 4. Check out any tables, graphs, or images. These can provide crucial data and help you understand the author's arguments. Remember, previewing is not about understanding every detail. It's about getting a general understanding of the content. Previewing a nonfiction text can 1. Help you decide if a text is worth reading. Not all texts will provide the information you need. Previewing can save you time by helping you decide if a text is relevant. 2. Prepare your mind for the information to come. By getting a general idea of the topic, your brain can better categorize and remember information. 3. Improve your reading speed and comprehension. Knowing the main points in advance can help you read faster and understand more. There you have it, the art of previewing a nonfiction text. Remember, previewing is not a one-size-fits-all strategy. It's a flexible technique you can adjust based on the text's length, complexity, and your reading goals. Keep practicing, and you'll see the difference it makes. We hope you found this video helpful, and happy reading, everyone!